said several days ago when he checked, it was pretty soft. But to the eye, it looks pretty darn good. Sometimes some of the hardest days you have on harvest is when you don't know what you're doing because you've never been here before. So we're slowly getting everything moved up to where we need to be. And as you can see, Jim's driving Frank, pulling the header trailer here. So got to figure out where to park it, how to maneuver the combine to the header so that he can get it on the combine, and then we're going to do a test run, see where we're at. Oh, I can smell that wheat. Quiet in here.
Yeah, I hope we ain't destroying something outside.
we got combine rolling, trucks in the field. How's that make you feel?
Okay, I guess.
Just okay?
Yeah.
Like you should be doing a happy dance or something.
I'd be doing a happy dance if I didn't hear a funny noise at the back of the combine.
Well, maybe it just won't happen. So if that yield monitor is correct, it's not?
Don't even mention it because we have no idea, Tracy.
Okay. Never mind. Things just need to be adjusted for the wheat. It looks good anyway. First load of Harvest 2020 headed to Sharon. We'll know a little bit better about where we stand with moisture and any of the other important details here. Probably half hour. So here we go. I've never dumped in this town before, this elevator, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to unroll the tarp here where there's some protection from the buildings and the trees. And then I'm going to go across the road and walk into the elevator and ask what the procedure is here, how the truck direction goes, so I don't get in somebody's way and make somebody mad. I don't want to do that, so I better go unroll my tarp first. So now those kids in the back are dumping the grain. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. For that truck to get rolling towards the elevator, and then I'll get to weigh off. Looks like that little farm truck isn't going to play the game like he's supposed to. So typically it's loaded, unloaded, loaded, unloaded, but that isn't the way it works right now. In some harvest towns, that could make somebody really mad. Okay, now after I get done dumping and I get back on the scale and weigh out, then I get a piece of paper that tells me all of the information as far as the moisture, the test weight, sometimes protein. So let's see what we've got. Well, moisture is 10.8, test weight is almost 62 pounds, and protein is 9%. So it's not real good protein, but it's a good test weight. And it's plenty dry. 10.8 is plenty dry. Probably could have started cutting yesterday, maybe, which this way. I thought maybe you could see me better, but maybe I'll just stay like this. Oh yeah, that's better. First day done. It was a good day. Wonder if I can remember how to find out how many acres we actually got cut today. Oh, looks like we got 92 acres cut today, so not a bad day, huh? Especially for getting started like at, what, 1:30? Not really sure what time we started, but it's now 10 o'clock. So as soon as Jim gets back with the truck, we will blow the combine off, tarp up Frank, and call it a day, and be back out tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow. Jim and the Pete got back, so we started the combine back up. Now it's time to blow off all this really dirty dirt. And when he's done with this, then we'll call it a night.